as Yavar Shafi are joining us on the broadcast, and in fact Pavit is joining us from the Wagah border. Earlier in the day we showed you the visuals of the celebrations at Lal Chowk. Let's get in a word from Pavit. Pavit, Wagah border, this is one place where we see a lot of celebrations and patriotic fervor is at a high as we see people from across the country come in to witness what is happening there on the ground and what's the mood like.
Republic Day, and in the visuals you can see that the crowd has started gathering and the festivities have started. You can see like the practice sessions are going on because in few minutes from now the retreat ceremony will start and which will show the cultural diversity of India. So today we are celebrating the pride of India, from the children wearing the national color, the tricolor, waving the tricolor with pride, to the elders supporting them. They are hooting, they are just chanting the slogan Bharat Mata Ki Jai with all the zeal and zest, and the practice sessions going on because in some time the retreat ceremony will start, and we all are well aware that Wagah border, the Wagah-Tari border is well known for its retreat ceremony. People from all ages come here to celebrate this diversity of India because this is the place where we celebrate India and we celebrate the spirit of India, and it's right here. So we are bringing you the exclusive coverage from a spectacular day where in few minutes from now the retreat ceremony will start, where thousands of people will be heard chanting the slogans of Bharat Mata Ki Jai. So these are the visuals from Wagah border, which is well known for its retreat ceremony since morning. The festivities have started in the morning. The tricolor was flourished by the officials, and now again and again, now the people have started coming to the Wagah border for the retreat ceremony, and in few minutes from now the retreat ceremony will start, which will see the diverse culture of India.
Absolutely, and this has become a tradition for people of the country to look at the ceremony which will be taking place in a short while from now, and Pavit will come back to you for those updates. Let's go across to Yavar Shafi as well. He has been joining us from Lal Chowk, and we've seen visuals of grand celebrations that have been taking place there. Yavar, take us through what's happening.
Well, exactly, if we talk about the celebrations since the morning, the celebrations are going across the Union Territory, particularly in the Srinagar's Lal Chowk, and we are showing you that still the celebrations have gained the pace here. You can see the huge crowd has assembled here. Shafiq is panning you towards this entire Lal Chowk area. Besides that, many other plans were done in terms of the state functions or UT functions in the Jammu, so as in the Srinagar as well. The tourists, they have celebrated the Republic Day amid the bone-chilling winters, because there was a sub-zero temperature, there was a coldest night in the Srinagar. Somehow these tourists, they thronged to the Lal Chowk and they celebrated the Republic Day, and it has thrown a positive message, as we have shown our viewers in the morning how the patriotic and enthusiasm scenes were witnessed all across, and this has been the scene all across. Let's have a word with a few of them. Sir, कितनी खुशी हो रही है आज?
खुशी का दिन है, युद्ध में आज खुशी हूं, दो धन्यवाद माइजाम। सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा, सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा, हम बुलबुले हैं इसकी, हम बुलबुले हैं इसकी, ये गुलिस्तान हमारा, सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा, हम बुलबुले हैं इसकी, ये गुलिस्तान हमारा, हिंदी हम वतन में हिंदुस्तान हमारा, सारे जहां से अच्छा।
So this was a local from the Kashmir Valley, and in fact one could have hardly imagined before the Article 370 that anybody from the Kashmir Valley could have been, unfurl or hoist the tricolour at the historic Ghantaghar, that's a clock tower in the Srinagar. But these images are reflecting the changing nature, changing moods of the people of the Kashmir. So as to the tourists, but more aspectly that the locals have joined these celebrations. Back to you.
Okay, all right, Yavar, we'll come back to you for those updates. It's very interesting to see the local residents as well as tourists who are flocking to Lal Chowk for the celebrations of the Republic Day with Indian flags in their hands as they celebrate. We have a lot of messages as well that have come in for Republic Day. Let's play them out.
देशवासियों को बहुत बहुत शुभकामना बधाई। एक लंबी लड़ाई आजादी की लड़ने के बाद हमारे लाखों लोगों ने आजादी के लिए कुर्बानी दी, बलिदान दिया। अनगिनत जिनके नाम भी नहीं है, उन्होंने देश के लिए सर्वोच्च न्यौछावर कर इस आजादी को दिलाया है। आजादी के बाद हमारे मनीषियों ने देश में एक ऐसा लोकतंत्र दिया जो दुनिया के लिए मार्गदर्शक है। ये संविधान हमारा जीवंत दस्तावेज भी है और जीवंत जीने की राह भी बता रहा है।
All right, so messages of the Republic Day coming in. India celebrating the 76th Republic Day, marking the platinum jubilee of the adoption of the Constitution, showcasing the military prowess and the rich cultural heritage at the Kartavya Path.